The Ford Ranger Luxury Motorhome 2027 imagines what happens when American toughness meets private jet comfort. This is not simply a larger recreational vehicle. It is a rolling residence designed to turn long-distance travel into a first-class experience. With its dramatic proportions, futuristic lighting, 6-axle stance, and expansive living quarters, it promises presence on every road. More importantly, it asks a bold question. Can a motorhome deliver the confidence of a heavy-duty Ford while feeling like a 5-star suite on wheels? Interior. Inside, the Ford Ranger Luxury Motorhome 2027 is designed around calm, space, and effortless control. The cockpit combines a Ford-inspired steering wheel, a wide digital instrument display, and a panoramic infotainment screen that places navigation, vehicle monitoring, cameras, climate functions, and energy management within easy reach. Physical controls remain available for essential functions, allowing drivers to act quickly without searching through layered digital menus. Cream leather captain's chairs, open-pore wood, brushed metal, and warm ambient lighting create a cabin that feels modern without becoming cold. Behind the driving area, the motorhome opens into a full residential lounge. Large windows bring natural light into the cabin, while a deep sectional sofa, individual lounge chairs, a media wall, and an elegant fireplace create the atmosphere of a private apartment. The kitchen continues the same theme, with stone-style countertops, integrated appliances, an induction cooking surface, generous storage, and a dining area sized for a family. The bathroom is equally ambitious. A glass shower, illuminated mirror, premium fixtures, and marble-inspired surfaces give it the character of a boutique hotel. At the rear, the master bedroom offers a large bed, panoramic windows, wardrobes, a dressing area, and carefully layered lighting. My favorite detail is not one screen or one expensive material. It is the sense of visual continuity. Every room uses the same soft colors, flowing lines, and discrete lighting, so the interior feels like one complete design rather than several small spaces joined together. That consistency is what makes the cabin feel genuinely luxurious. Exterior. From the outside, the Ford Ranger Luxury Motorhome 2027 has the confidence of a flagship vehicle and the scale of a mobile mansion. The front is dominated by a smooth, almost architectural surface, framed by vertical lighting signatures and a wide, dark windshield. A Ford badge and Ranger lettering sit at the center, giving the vehicle a familiar identity, even though the body is unlike any production Ranger before it. The long side profile is intentionally dramatic. A mirror-like black finish visually reduces the mass of the body by reflecting mountains, coastlines, city lights, and desert landscapes. The result is a vehicle that can appear elegant in motion and almost sculptural when parked. 6 visible axle positions distribute the visual weight across the chassis, while large multi-spoke wheels and illuminated lower trim make the motorhome look lower and more controlled than its dimensions suggest. The illuminated steps and discrete side markers improve usability, reminding viewers that practical details can support safety without weakening the dramatic silhouette. At the rear, a clean vertical panel, full-width lighting, and subtle branding create a strong final impression. The design avoids unnecessary vents, fake grills, and excessive decoration. That restraint is important. A vehicle of this size already commands attention, so the most intelligent choice is to let proportion, light, and surface quality create the drama. In my view, the exterior succeeds because it does not imitate a traditional bus or a converted truck. It creates its own category. It combines the visual authority of an American road machine with the polish of a luxury yacht. The greatest challenge would be translating those smooth surfaces into production, while still providing ventilation, service access, structural strength, and real-world durability. If ever Ford pursued a vehicle like this, engineering discipline would matter as much as visual spectacle. Performance, price, and target customers. A motorhome of this scale would need more than impressive styling. It would require a powertrain built for sustained torque, stable highway performance, and confident operation across changing American landscapes. A realistic direction could combine a high-output turbo diesel engine with electric assistance. The combustion engine would handle long-distance cruising, while electric motors could support low-speed torque, smoother acceleration, regenerative braking, and silent movement inside campsites. Thermal management would be critical, especially during desert climbs, where battery cooling and transmission durability would ultimately determine long-term reliability under sustained, heavy load conditions. An advanced all-wheel drive system would be especially valuable. With 6 axle positions, adaptive air suspension, active damping, rear-wheel steering, and electronic stability control, the vehicle could remain composed on mountain roads, coastal highways, wet forest routes, and poor weather interstate sections. It would not be an off-road machine in the traditional Ranger sense, but it could be engineered to handle gravel access roads, steep campgrounds, and poor weather with far more confidence than a conventional luxury coach. Energy independence would also define the ownership experience. A large battery pack, rooftop solar panels, a diesel generator, and intelligent energy management could supply lighting, climate control, cooking systems, entertainment, and water heating without constant dependence on external power. Camera systems, radar, blind spot monitoring, lane assistance, and a full digital mirror network would be essential because of the vehicle's length. Pricing would place this machine far beyond ordinary recreational vehicles. A plausible estimated starting range would be between $1.2 and $1.8 million, depending on the powertrain, interior materials, security systems, battery capacity, and customization. Fully commissioned versions could cost more. The target customer would not be the casual weekend camper. This vehicle would appeal to entrepreneurs, athletes, entertainers, luxury tour operators, and wealthy families who want to travel privately without sacrificing space or comfort. It could also serve as a mobile office, hospitality suite, or long-distance family residence. In my view, the strongest selling point would not be speed, it would be control. A great luxury motorhome should make its size feel manageable, its technology feel invisible, and every mile feel calm. If Ford could achieve that, this machine would offer something more meaningful than extravagance. It would offer freedom without compromise. The Ford Ranger Luxury Motorhome 2027 represents a vision of American grand touring. It combines dramatic design, residential comfort, advanced mobility, and the appeal of traveling without boundaries. Its greatest achievement is the way it turns extreme size into elegance and purpose. This vehicle remains a concept rather than a confirmed production model, but the central idea is genuinely compelling. Would you choose this rolling luxury residence, or would you prefer a smaller motorhome with greater freedom on narrow roads?